From that to this. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to beautiful British Columbia. It's the 26th of October and a viewer of one of my videos by the name of Kyle, thanks Kyle, maybe the guy from Out of Spec. Well, it's not from Out of Spec Motoring, but I'd like to think so, that he's watching my videos. Well, Kyle suggested that I use vinyl wrap to get rid of the silver rims on my Gemini wheels. So let's do that today. So once the tire is off, I actually put it on my little shop stool because I want to be able to spin it around. And so I've given it a quick dust, but you also want to make sure you clean with the IPA. So you want to get inside the rim, both the inside rim and the outside of the rim, because you're wanting it to stick. That should do. So I made the mistake of buying, well, not really a mistake, but I got the 2-inch vinyl. And the reason why is because they did have 1 inch by 20 feet. And but unfortunately it didn't deliver into Canada, or it took too long. I can't remember, but I clicked the 2-inch matte finish by, I think it's 20 feet. And what I've done is, because this is too thick, I've actually cut it in half, which makes it much more easier to deal with. All right, so that should be dry. I'm going to start at the air valve, and that way I know where I'm going. So the trick is to basically lay it as such. So fix it to the outside first, and then we'll go around and we'll use the heat gun and we'll just bend it over a little bit. So there might be some fast forward action going here, or maybe not. One of the hardest parts is trying to get the back wrapper off the vinyl. That's one of the toughest parts of this. Let's cut that excess off. Go. So now here comes the tricky bit. So you're going to grab your heat gun and you're going to apply heat and then fold over with your hand there. Now it is going to look ugly on the inside. And now you just get your blade. there, we're done. So I'm just going to rub over it a bit more. All right, there you go. Well, there you go, boys and girls. It's actually not a bad job. Again, from a distance, I mean, even when you look real close, you can actually see that's a pretty good job there. One of the things that's not going to work is if you hit a curb, it's gone. Maybe when you go through heavy slush with grit, with snow salt, it may be gone. And definitely, if you make your way to a tire repair place to get some tires or rims changed, or even get a flat puncture repair, those are not going to last. That's not too bad. Yeah, this is probably the worst one, but it's not too bad. I mean, from a distance, again, it's not bad at all. Looks good. Well, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe.